So today, what we're doing is I have a Pelican case that I just ordered kind of randomly. And to be honest, I was trying to get this credit card bonus. Like, I was gonna buy some shoes, trust me. Like, I was like, sneakers. In situations like that, it's always better to probably lean more to like what you need for a business. I was using this old thing that my dad gifted me along with his cameras. It's got some stuff in it. This thing has been working hard. I don't even know its brand. So this is the case. You'll be able to hear every sound. This is what I remember it to look like. I have one. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. The build quality of these things, they get scuffs and they get beat up. You know, they're being tossed around. You're traveling with them. My other Pelican case that I got, it doesn't have like this pre-made system. So they come with these foam inserts here, in which you can then cut. They give you a little tool. It's like this little knife here. Can y'all see it? Little knife. This is the stuff that they usually give you, like the cheaper type of organization thing. You just like take off one of these and then it never goes back, you know? I'm not saying that when you cut this, you can put it back together, but this is a little bit more flimsy. And I think with these other ones, you can lock it, put something together before it's done. So yeah, I like it. I can't wait to lay out the gear that I want it to be in here. All right, guys, thanks for coming through. See my new Pelican case. Nothing big, nothing crazy, but something I felt like was necessary. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to see more of these unboxings, if I actually get more gear, or if you guys just want to see reviews of different items that I have, let me know. And feel free to hit the subscribe button and to turn on post notifications.